In this tutorial, I'm mainly going to teach you how you can create UGC ads completely for free. The only paid tool we'll use here is ChatGPT, and that's only for image generation. But if you want to do everything 100% free, you can also generate images using Nano Banana. After that, we'll use free AI animation tools to animate those images. And finally, I'll show you how to create AI voiceovers for free using ElevenLabs so you can build a complete professional-looking UGC ad from start to finish. Honestly, if someone skips this tutorial, they're going to fall way behind because they won't even know how UGC ads can be created entirely for free using AI tools that are already available right now. By creating these UGC ads, we can promote our own brand, or we can contribute to promoting other brands and earn from it. Let's take a quick look at what type of UGC ads we're going to learn to create today.
I wasn't expecting this bag to feel this good. It honestly looks way more expensive than what I paid. The leather is so soft, but at the same time it feels really strong. It goes with everything. Casual, jeans, even dressy outfits. Yeah, I would 100% buy this again.
And let me add one more important thing here. If anyone feels that this tutorial is a bit difficult to understand, don't worry at all. You can simply fill out the Google form linked in the description and book a slot. We'll schedule a free session and personally guide you through the entire process.
All right, so let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is build our thought process. We need to decide how exactly we want to create the UGC ad, what kind of visuals we want, and which angles and styles we'll use for the product images. And for this entire planning phase, we're going to use ChatGPT. For this example, I want to create a mini UGC ad for a bag. So first, I simply tell ChatGPT, I want to create a UGC ad for a bag. I'll upload a reference image of the bag and a reference model. Using these images, give me creative ideas on how the model can showcase the bag in different angles and styles. For example, extreme lower angle shots, eye level shots, stylish sitting poses, minimal pink background concepts. After that, I upload the bag image and the reference model image, and then I click Enter. ChatGPT takes a few seconds and then shares multiple creative ideas with me. Now my job is simple. I read through them, select the ideas I like, and then use those ideas to come up with even better concepts in my own head. Here, notice how ChatGPT gave me a very clean and well-structured thought process. You can carefully read these and take ideas from them. I read everything thoroughly and extracted some really nice concepts. Now, I'll use these ideas to generate multiple images where my reference character will showcase the bag from different angles. After that, I'll animate those images and then create a voiceover using ElevenLabs that will play in the background. Let's get started. I came back to ChatGPT again, and at the bottom you can see a plus icon. I clicked on it, and many options appeared. Look at the second option. It says Create Image. I clicked on that. Now we are going to generate images. At the beginning, I uploaded the reference image of the character and the image of the bag. Then I entered this prompt. The girl is standing while holding the bag in her hand. The background is minimal pink. Soft top lighting will be used in a cinematic style. The photo will be captured from a super low angle. Then I clicked Enter. Our image started generating, and it usually takes about 1 minute to complete. We waited for a short while for the image to be generated. The image was successfully generated. As you can see, it turned out exactly the way I wanted. I wanted the girl to stand while holding the bag with a pink background, and it did exactly that. Also, notice that the camera angle is exactly what I requested. It was captured from a super low angle. Now I'm going to generate the second image, where the girl is standing stylishly while holding the bag and looking into the distance. The shot will be captured from behind with a minimal pink background. So I simply wrote this prompt. The girl is standing while holding the bag and looking into the distance in a stylish way. She will be captured from behind. Minimal pink background. Just like before, it will take about 1 minute to generate the image. Next, we'll create the third image. where the girl is sitting on a tall stool and showing the bag toward the camera with her hand. So I entered this prompt. The girl is sitting on a tall stool while holding the bag. She will be captured from a super low angle. Again, it took about 1 minute to generate the image. After that, I wanted an image where the girl is sitting on the floor with a minimal pink background and the bag is placed beside her. I wanted a hot, stylish look, so I entered this prompt. The girl is sitting on the floor with a minimal pink background, presenting the bag in a stylish way. Once again, it generated a beautiful image. If you notice carefully, in every single image, the character and the bag remain exactly the same. There are no changes at all. In these cases, ChatGPT performs extremely well. Next, we generated the final image, where the girl is captured from above. So I entered this prompt. The girl is standing in a stylish pose with the bag on her shoulder, legs slightly apart. The photo will be captured from an upper angle, drone view. Now look at the result. Once again, it delivered exactly what I wanted. Since I specified a drone view camera angle in the prompt, the image truly looks like it was captured from above using a drone. Now I would like to hear from you. Out of all the images we created, which one did you like the most? Please let us know in the comments below, and we'll send you a Google form to schedule a free session with us. Now the first part of our work is complete. Next, we'll move to Grok to animate these images for free. I searched on Google for Grok AI and then entered the site. If you're not logged in yet, make sure to log in first. I'm already logged in, so I can directly see this interface. The site looks very similar to ChatGPT, but here you can create videos. Now, look at the bottom. You'll see an option called Create Image. I clicked on Create Image. After that, an interface appears where you can see the kinds of videos other people have created. If you look carefully at the lower section, you'll find an option called Image. I clicked on it. A drop-down menu appeared where there was another option called Video. I clicked on Video, and now we're ready to generate videos. Next, look at the bottom left side. There's an option to attach files. I clicked on that and uploaded the first image I had just created. As soon as you attach the file, you'll notice that Grok automatically starts generating a video even without any prompt, and it creates a 6-second video. However, the video it generates automatically may not always be acceptable for our needs. That's why we can edit and regenerate the video using prompts. For example, I wrote this prompt. The girl is standing straight and gently brings the bag closer to her chest, slowly and gracefully showing the bag with a soft, gentle movement. One thing I personally experienced is that you won't always get a perfect result in the first 1 or 2 attempts. You may need to tweak a few words in the prompt and try 3 or 4 times to get the perfect result. In this way, you can generate videos with any type of movement you want by adjusting your prompts accordingly. I won't animate all the images right now. Instead, I'll show you the animation of the very last image, which was captured from a drone view. I uploaded that image and entered this prompt. The girl gently presents her bag while the camera slowly moves closer to her, and at the end, she gives a soft smile. Let's see what kind of result we get. Hopefully, it will be a good one. If there are any issues, just make a few changes to the prompt and regenerate. It usually gives much better results after that. And this is how I animated all the images. You can animate your images in the exact same way as well. We've completed 2 steps so far. Now there's only 1 step left, generating the voiceover for free using ElevenLabs. Let's do it. I searched on Google for ElevenLabs. Their website appeared right away, so I clicked on it. As soon as you enter the site, you'll see an interface where, right corner, it says Sign Up. I clicked on that because we're going to create a new account. On the next screen, I clicked Sign Up with Google. After signing up, you'll be taken directly to your homepage. With a brand new account, ElevenLabs gives you 10,000 free credits, which you can use to generate voiceovers for free. To check your remaining credits, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. You'll be able to see your available credits there. Now let's generate the voice. On the home page, you'll see options like instant speech, audiobook, image and video, ElevenLabs agents, and more. I clicked on instant speech. This is where we can create text to voice. I pasted a text that I had already prepared. The text is, I wasn't expecting this bag to feel this good. It honestly looks way more expensive than what I paid. The leather is so soft, but at the same time it feels really strong. It goes with everything, casual, jeans, even dressy outfits. Yeah, I would 100% buy this again. Next, I chose the voice. On the right side, you'll see an option called Voice. From the drop-down menu, you can select a voice. There are hundreds of voices available. I searched for Samantha and found multiple options with that name. I selected the one with a soft and emotional tone, double-clicked on it. After that, you can adjust settings like speed and stability. Once everything looked good, I clicked Generate Speech. Within a few seconds, the voiceover was ready. Finally, we can combine this generated voice with all the videos we created earlier to produce our final video.
Hello, I hope you were able to understand everything clearly the way Minhaz explained it. Following Minhaz's process, I've created another UGC video as well. Let's take a look, and don't forget to let us know in the comments whose one you like the most.
A lot of people ask me how I stay so confident all day. One of the biggest reasons is my shoes. When I wear these, I walk with confidence, and they instantly make me look smarter and more put together. Whenever I step outside, these are the shoes I choose. They're unbelievably comfortable. It's honestly hard to explain. The design, the quality, everything about them feels premium.
And that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and share it with someone who wants to create UGC content using AI.
Comment below which version you liked the most, and don't forget to follow for more step-by-step tutorials like this. See you in the next one.